I'll shut them all down.
What will happen if this Titan stuff reaches Gotham?
It won't reach Gotham.
Get a move on! I'm not joking. I want it done now. You heard him. You done yet?
Yeah, we're at full power. Without Gallus. Everyone! Don't you talk about her. I'll kill you, understand?
He's just messing. George says this stuff don't do nothing bad.
You can't believe a word he says.
Have you seen what that Titan stuff does to people? It turns them into monsters.
What's my mom?
It'll be an improvement.
Something funny? I take it you've done what I told you to do. I hope so. Because if you're lying to me, I'll have your eyes and fingers. You understand? Can you hear me? Oh, for the love of... I suppose that's you in there, Bats. Well, enjoy it while you can. These caves will be your tomb.
Patient interview, Valen Jones. Progress has been slow. What happened back in that house?
Just business.
Business? What kind of business practices result in a house full of mutilated corpses?
I don't like having my time wasted. Someone doesn't pay. They need a lesson. They owed me.
So you killed them, tore up their bodies. The police never found all the pieces.
They should have looked in the sewers.
Are you saying you hid them there?
After a while. Usually takes about 8 hours.
Time to go, Brock. Get him.
You heard him. Shoot to kill.
I never do anything else.
That's not what I heard.
What are you talking about? I'm the best shot in Gotham. Everyone knows that.
Yeah, whatever. I obviously didn't get the email.
He's down there with you, making you all look like fools.
Then what?
Held him upside down and beat the crap out of him. The guy was the best.
Stay up.
Nah, he's spinning on the track.
What? You let him get away with it?
Do I look like an idiot? When I found out he had no cash, I cut out his kidneys, his liver, a few other bits I don't know the name of, and sold them on the street. Some rich guy's probably walking around with them in him as we speak.
And people just buy stuff like that? There's always a buyer out there, whatever you're selling.
Nice story. Got any others? Do we get back to looking after this place?
Yeah, whatever. He asked, I told him.
He's here!
He's making you look stupid. Admittedly. But it is not why I put him down. He's trying to shut down the power. Do not let him. Is that it? You want me to send Harlan
That's the first pump disabled.
Great. Only 2 more to find.
Oracle. That's the second pump shut off.
Just 1 more to go.
Patient interview. Waylon Jones, a.k.a. Killer Croc. Last night, the patient was pacified after a breakout attempt. Aaron Cash is in hospital. Reports state that the patient attacked Cash and in the struggle consumed his left hand. Cash is lucky to be alive. He lost a lot of blood.
Me too. I nearly choked on that bony hand of his.
That's disgusting. He could have died.
He's just food to me. And once I get a taste, I want the rest of the meal. You know what I mean.
Get him out of here. Now.
Got your scent too, lady. I'll see you around. Tick tock, tick tock. Do not listen to me. I said stop with this through. Try harder for I'll hurt you badly.
Spread out! Fight him!
Spread out! We've got another one down over here! Someone get over there! Another man down over here! Come on, wake up!